everybody, welcome back to another short video. Today what I want to do is I want to highlight and explain a phrase that we say a lot around here, and that is performance value, right? So when we speak to you about our PK series of pumps, you know, your 3-to-1s, your 5-to-1s, this phrase always finds itself into every conversation. So let's break it down like this. Any equipment investment, think about this, every equipment investment plays a role, but it's not all about, you know, the lowest price or the highest for that matter. Every project, every piece of equipment, every customization that we do carries an ROI tag in my world as well as yours. So when we say performance value, it's about helping you recoup that initial investment faster and more efficient. I say this because that initial cost is only part of the entire equation, as a lot of you guys already know. There's so many other intangibles associated with this. So let's call these soft costs for now, right? That many times go unnoticed. So let me give you some examples. So number one, time needed to drive out to a customer for a service call. Number two could be time needed to troubleshoot something over the phone. Number three could be downtime for the actual customer. And the last example that I'm going to give out today is time needed to ship defective items back and forth. So I bring all this to light because we have to look at the entire process from setup to startup and factoring all, what I would say, the overall lifetime, you know, of the actual equipment. So if any of this makes sense, you would take me up on trying out one of these pumps. Those of you that know me understand that I would not sit here, you know, and go on record if I did not feel that this, you know, if I didn't feel this strong about this platform. Last thing I'm going to say is I want you to know that, you know, it would be easier for me to sell this pump if it was more expensive. Now, there's something to think about. See you around.